everybody, AHHH330 here, and today I'm filming an unboxing of the April Simply Gilded kit, Paper and Crane. This is my first month back after taking a few months off the subscription, and I'm so happy to be getting this in my mailbox again. I can't wait to show you what's inside, so let's get started. So this is a card that just gives you a breakdown of everything that's included in your kit each month. And here is this month's journaling card, and it's got rose gold foiling, a couple of cranes, and a foiled quote that says, "New heights, new horizons." This month had a really special item and included this stunning pouch with rose gold hardware. It's got a Simply Gilded logo at the top and a crane print. And the inside is this really pretty gray polka dot. This month also included a pin. It's got rose gold hardware and kind of a pink, purple, ombre, marble watercolory pattern. And then this is the tip. There we go. These are the sticky notes for this month. It has got a rose gold border on it, notes that's foiled, and then a little feather at the bottom. And it's got a very faded background. I'm not sure if you can see. So much room to write. I love that. Some notes just are not functional at all, and these definitely are. This is the insert for this month. It is a pocket size with a sewn binding, a crane on the front along with the signature Simply Gilded bow, and a quote on the back that says, "Wish, dream, do." And these are blank inserts, so you can do whatever you want with the inside of these. And I think the only thing that would make these kits even better for me is if they came out with B6 inserts. That's just so I could use them in my planner, but these are perfect for carrying in your purse or stashing in your car for those kind of notes, as well as, you know, leaving on your desk for eye candy. All right, so these are all foiled as well. You've got some headers, some deco with the cranes and florals, some little banner flags with icons, and 3 full boxes. And I've seen some layouts on the Simply Gilded page that these just look so beautiful when they're all laid out together. And of course, the big ticket item, we've got the 4 Simply Gilded tapes. First up, let's see, we've got these foiled cranes. Then we've got some foiled florals. Then we've got some foiled skinny words. It says challenge, learn, new horizons, fly high, rise to the occasion. Those are the ones that I can see without unrolling it. And of course, we can't forget the hottest commodity of all, the Simply Gilded bow tapes. So this is a gray with white polka dots and gold bows. And I kind of would have thought they would have been rose gold just to coordinate with the rest of the rose gold foiling and the other parts of the kit. But I never question Irene's design choices. She has one of the best eyes in the business, and I love everything that she makes. She is one of my favorite shop owners, and yeah, I can't recommend this box or her shop enough.